This platform, as you can see here on the screen, is a platform that gets you paid just for writing. And as you can see here, there are a lot of articles that you can decide to spend your time on this platform and read and feel refreshed during your recreational period. So as you can see here, these are a lot of articles that people have written on this platform and they get paid. My name is Basi Ejubajan, a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel we talk about how to make money online as a total beginner in Nigeria in 2024. So if you love content like this, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I will drop a video like this, and so that it can also help me grow. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money just by writing as a total beginner anywhere you are in the world. So the name of this platform, as you can see here, is known as Listverse. So Listverse is a platform that allows you to write and get paid. And if you don't want to just be a writer on the platform, you can also come here and read a lot of articles. But you as a writer, that's the main purpose of you coming to this platform, is for you to write and get paid. Is you go to any mobile browser of your choice and put in this keyword Listverse with the URL of listverse.com, and when you get here, you make sure you click on this particular place that you are seeing this arrow. You click on it and there will be a drop down menu, as you can see here on the screen. So this is a drop down menu. The first one is write and get paid. The second one is submit a list, search Listverse, our book, and about Listverse. So what you just have to do is you have to click on write and get paid and allow it to load. So when the platform, when this particular aspect will get to open, you will see on how you'll be able to sign up on this platform, and you start writing and you'll be able to start making money. So as it kind of says, write and get paid. You get paid $100. You get paid $100 whenever you write on this platform. As you can see, it says, do you want to earn money online? Listverse was built on the effort of readers just like you. So one thing about this platform is that for you to be a writer on this platform, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker, a sense of humor, and a love for things unusual or things that are interesting. And you don't even need to write a lot of words on this platform. You just need to write some words that interest you, the words in English and words that have sense of humor. And when you send it to this platform, they will send you a message with grades. And when they send you a message with grades, they know that they have published it. And when they publish it, they will send you $100 to your PayPal. Know that there are a lot of as you can see here, you know that every platform have their rules. So they say that they do not accept writers who do not have a PayPal account, and this is non-negotiable. That means if you want to get paid on this platform, then you must have a PayPal. It says if PayPal doesn't support your country, please don't request alternative methods of payment. So PayPal is the only method of payment on this platform. As you can see, their rules are pretty simple. As it is, don't steal other people's stuff. 1 or 2 items per paragraph. And as you can see, it says to help with some ideas, the list that our readers love the most and the ones that will likely pay for are lists that are upbeat and novel, lists that are looking at something normal in an unexpected way, as you can see here on the screen. So if you have a blog, a Twitter account, or a book you want to promote, mention it in the submission and they will stick at the bottom of your list. So you can also submit your books here, but one thing is that you don't have to submit your pictures and videos on this platform. So as you can see here, there are a lot of lists which you can use to come and get ideas. These lists are like inspirations in which you can use to come and get idea from. So you just have to follow their rules. Make sure you have a PayPal account. Come to this platform known as listverse.com. Click on the first link and it will take you here. When you get here, what you just have to do is, you see on this get write and get paid. So you just have to scroll down, and when you see the list, all what you just have to do is for you to start writing and you submit. As you can see on the screen, if you scroll down, you see where they say sign up. You just have to sign up and you start writing, and you make nothing less than $100 when you write on this platform and you get paid. If you love this video, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you get updates anytime I will drop subscribe video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.